15 Ways to Relieve Vertigo Without Medication. Try it today. Have you ever wondered why your vertigo persists even without an apparent cause? Or how to relieve dizziness without resorting to medication? What if there were a natural way to improve your condition quickly and effectively? Discover now 15 ways to relieve vertigo without medication, from simple adjustments in your routine to innovative techniques you can try at home. Did you know that breathing techniques can make a significant difference in vertigo symptoms? Take a deep breath, because what we're about to reveal could change your life. Imagine getting rid of that feeling of imbalance without the side effects of medications. Interested? Then stay with us. Let's explore the best practices to help you regain control over your health and quality of life. Stay until the end and discover how to transform your experience with vertigo by adopting natural and powerful strategies that really work. Important: we have listed all the references used to create this video in the description for you to access whenever you want. Let's get started. Why relieving vertigo without medication might be your best option. Relieving vertigo naturally might be the best decision you can make for your health. While medications can offer temporary relief, they often come with unpleasant side effects, such as drowsiness and dry mouth, which can further worsen your quality of life. By opting for natural methods, you not only avoid these adverse effects but also strengthen your body and promote a more balanced lifestyle. Techniques such as balance exercises, breath control, and dietary adjustments are simple and effective solutions you can start using today to reduce vertigo symptoms. And best of all, these techniques are accessible and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Keep watching to discover how to relieve vertigo without relying on medication, and learn how to regain control over your health in a safe and natural way. You will be surprised by the impact these changes can have on your life. Is there a cure for vertigo? The truth you need to know. Many people wonder, is there a cure for vertigo? The answer is not as simple as it seems. For some types of vertigo, such as benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, BPPV, specific treatments like the particle repositioning maneuver can offer almost immediate relief and, in many cases, resolve the problem definitively. However, for other conditions, like Meniere's disease or vestibular neuritis, vertigo can be a chronic symptom that requires ongoing management. While a cure may not be possible for everyone, the good news is that there are several effective ways to control symptoms and improve quality of life. In this video, we'll explore the available treatment options and how you can find the right path for your specific situation. Don't miss the essential information that can help you better understand your condition and take informed steps to relieve vertigo. What happens if you ignore vertigo? Discover the consequences. Ignoring vertigo might seem like an easy option, but the consequences could be more severe than you imagine. Without proper treatment, vertigo not only persists but can also increase the risk of falls and accidents, especially in situations where maintaining balance is necessary. Additionally, constantly living with vertigo can lead to mental health issues like anxiety and depression due to the fear of losing control or falling in public. If vertigo is associated with an underlying condition, such as an ear infection or a neurological disorder, not treating it can worsen the problem, resulting in even more serious complications. In this video, we'll discuss the possible consequences of not treating vertigo and why it's crucial to seek effective solutions. Don't wait to take action. Find out now what you can do to avoid these risks and improve your quality of life. 15 Ways to Relieve Vertigo Without Medication. Try it today. 1. Repositioning particles in the inner ear. Did you know that tiny crystals in your ear could be causing your vertigo? The particle repositioning technique, known as the Epley maneuver, is a simple and effective solution for benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, BPPV. When these crystals dislodge to the wrong areas in the inner ear, they provoke a sensation of dizziness. Through specific head and body movements, the Epley maneuver helps reposition these crystals, providing immediate relief for many. Although it may seem complicated, this technique can be easily performed with the guidance of a healthcare professional and offers a natural alternative to medication. Many patients report significant improvement after the correct application of the maneuver, making it one of the most recommended options for those suffering from BPPV. In this video, we'll show how this technique can be the key to regaining your balance and relieving vertigo once and for all. Don't miss it. 2. Balance exercises that can change your life. If you suffer from vertigo, strengthening your balance might be the answer you've been looking for. Balance and coordination exercises are powerful tools to improve stability and reduce the frequency of vertigo episodes. Simple movements, such as walking in a straight line, raising and lowering your heels, and even using a balance ball, can help train your vestibular system and enhance your ability to maintain balance. The best part is that these exercises are easy to do at home and don't require special equipment. For an even more effective outcome, consider a vestibular rehabilitation program with a physical therapist. With regular practice, you will not only see a reduction in vertigo symptoms but also gain confidence to perform daily activities without fear of falls. Discover how these exercises can change your life and help you regain control of your mobility and independence. 3. Breathing techniques that can relieve vertigo in minutes. Breathing is a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can offer quick relief for vertigo. Deep breathing techniques, such as diaphragmatic breathing, help calm the nervous system and reduce the intensity of dizziness. By inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling slowly through the mouth, you can create a sense of calm that helps stabilize the body and mind. In addition to breathing, relaxation practices like guided meditation and progressive muscle relaxation are highly effective in reducing tension that can exacerbate vertigo. Incorporating these techniques into your daily routine not only helps manage vertigo symptoms but also improves overall well-being, offering a natural way to deal with stress and anxiety. In this video, we will show you how these breathing techniques can be easily learned and applied, providing immediate relief and helping you feel more in control of your health. 4. The importance of hydration. How water can reduce vertigo. Did you know that drinking water can be one of the simplest and most effective ways to combat vertigo? Dehydration is a common cause of dizziness because it affects blood volume and, consequently, blood flow to the brain. Staying hydrated helps ensure that your inner ear, responsible for balance, functions properly. Drinking water regularly throughout the day can significantly reduce vertigo symptoms and improve your overall sense of balance. Additionally, it is important to avoid dehydrating beverages such as coffee and alcohol and opt for healthier alternatives like herbal teas and natural juices. Some people also find relief by adding electrolytes to their water, especially after physical exercise or on hot days. In this video, we'll explore how proper hydration can be a simple yet powerful strategy for managing vertigo. Discover how small changes in your hydration routine can make a big difference in your quality of life. 5. Foods that can help or hurt your vertigo. Diet plays a crucial role in controlling vertigo. While some foods can trigger or worsen symptoms, others can help stabilize the vestibular system. Diets high in sodium, for example, can cause fluid retention and affect the inner ear, leading to vertigo episodes. Reducing your intake of salt and processed foods can help minimize these effects. On the other hand, foods rich in potassium, such as bananas and spinach, can help regulate fluid levels in the body and improve balance. Eating small meals throughout the day, instead of large meals, can also help keep blood sugar levels stable, avoiding sudden drops that can cause dizziness. In this video, we'll discuss which foods to include and which to avoid to help manage vertigo. Learn to adjust your diet in a simple and effective way to reduce vertigo symptoms and improve your overall health. 6. Acupressure. The technique you can use anywhere. Did you know you can relieve vertigo with just a touch? Acupressure, a technique derived from acupuncture, uses finger pressure on specific points of the body to improve energy flow and relieve symptoms. For vertigo, a popular point is the NEI Guan point, or P6 point, located on the inside of the forearm, 3 fingers below the base of the palm. Applying firm pressure to this point for a few minutes can help relieve nausea and dizziness associated with vertigo. Additionally, pressing areas like the base of the skull and behind the ears can also provide relief. Acupressure is a non-invasive approach and can be done anywhere and anytime, making it a practical and accessible option for those suffering from vertigo. In this video, we'll show you how to locate these points and apply the technique effectively, offering a natural solution you can use whenever you feel the need. 7. Movements you should avoid to not worsen vertigo. Quick and abrupt head movements can be a real trigger for those suffering from vertigo. For conditions like benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, BPPV, avoiding these movements can be key to preventing new episodes. When changing positions or getting up, it's important to make slow, controlled movements, allowing the vestibular system to adjust gradually. If you need to look up or down, move your whole body instead of just your head to minimize the risk of crystal displacement in the inner ear, which can cause vertigo. Small changes in the way you move throughout the day can make a big difference in reducing symptoms and improving quality of life. In this video, we'll share practical tips on how to adjust your movements to avoid triggering vertigo, helping you feel safer and more confident in your daily activities. 8. Aromatherapy. The natural secret to relieving vertigo. Aromatherapy can be a powerful tool for those seeking natural relief from vertigo. Essential oils like peppermint, lavender, and ginger are known for their calming properties and can help reduce the sensation of dizziness and nausea. Just a few drops in a diffuser or on a handkerchief can offer immediate relief. Peppermint, in particular, has a cooling effect that can improve circulation and relieve dizziness. On the other hand, lavender is excellent for reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation, which can be extremely helpful if stress is a contributing factor to your vertigo. In this video, we'll explore how aromatherapy can be a natural and effective solution for managing vertigo and improving overall well-being. Learn how to use essential oils safely and effectively to take advantage of their calming benefits and relieve vertigo symptoms naturally. 9. How sleep can influence your vertigo symptoms. Did you know that a good night's sleep can be the key to controlling vertigo? Sleep deprivation increases the sensitivity of the vestibular system, making episodes of dizziness more frequent and intense. Sleeping 7 to 9 hours a night in a calm and comfortable environment is essential for the body's recovery and maintaining balance. Establishing a consistent sleep routine also helps regulate circadian rhythms, which can play a role in preventing vertigo. Additionally, relaxation techniques before bed, such as meditation and deep breathing, can improve sleep quality and help prevent vertigo episodes. In this video, we'll share practical tips to improve your sleep and, consequently, reduce vertigo symptoms. Discover how small adjustments to your sleep routine can make a big difference in your health and overall well-being. 10. Massage that can relieve tension and vertigo. Cervical massage and other manual therapies are excellent for relieving vertigo, especially when it is associated with muscle tension in the neck. Massage helps relax the muscles, improve blood circulation, and relieve nerve compression, factors that can contribute to vertigo. A qualified therapist can apply specific techniques to relieve pressure and restore natural movement in the neck and head, providing immediate relief. Additionally, complementary therapies like chiropractic care and physical therapy can correct postural misalignments and improve neck function and vestibular system. These non-invasive approaches offer an effective alternative to medications, allowing you to regain your balance naturally and safely. In this video, we'll show how these techniques can help relieve vertigo and improve your quality of life. Watch and learn how these therapies can be incorporated into your healthcare routine for lasting relief. 11. How lights and sounds can worsen your vertigo and how to avoid them. Environments with bright lights and loud sounds can be silent enemies for those suffering from vertigo. These excessive sensory stimuli can overload the vestibular and visual systems, triggering or worsening symptoms of dizziness and disorientation. Minimizing exposure to these stimuli is a simple yet effective strategy for controlling vertigo. Using soft light bulbs, avoiding bright screens, and reducing the volume of sounds around you can make a big difference. In environments where it's not possible to control these factors, wearing sunglasses and ear protectors can help minimize the impact. In this video, we'll share practical tips on how to adapt your environment to reduce the sensory triggers that cause vertigo. Discover how small changes in your surroundings can provide immediate relief and help prevent vertigo episodes, improving your quality of life in a simple and effective way. 12. Support devices that can save you from falls. For those suffering from vertigo, safety is crucial, and balance support devices can be powerful allies. Canes, walking sticks, and walkers provide additional support, helping prevent falls and injuries in situations where balance is challenging. These devices not only provide a more stable base but also increase confidence when moving, especially on uneven or unfamiliar terrain. Choosing the right device, adjustable and suitable for your body, is crucial to ensuring comfort and safety. In addition to traditional devices, other options, such as non-slip shoes and orthotics, can improve stability and balance. In this video, we'll discuss how these support devices can be integrated into your routine to provide greater safety and independence. Discover how to choose the right device for you and how it can make a big difference in fall prevention and vertigo management. 13. How stress is worsening your vertigo. Stress can be a major enemy for those suffering from vertigo, exacerbating symptoms and making them harder to manage. When we're stressed, our bodies react by increasing muscle tension, raising blood pressure, and negatively affecting sleep, all factors that can aggravate vertigo. Learning to monitor and control stress levels is essential for reducing symptoms. Techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and regular exercise can help keep stress under control. Additionally, Avoiding high-pressure situations and noisy environments is key to minimizing stress triggers. In this video, we'll show you how to identify and manage the stress factors that may be contributing to your vertigo. Learn practical strategies to reduce stress and improve your quality of life, helping control vertigo more effectively and naturally. 14. Avoid these foods to reduce your vertigo symptoms. Did you know that some of your favorite foods may be worsening your vertigo? Caffeine and alcohol are two major culprits when it comes to maintaining balance. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and soft drinks, can increase anxiety and cause dehydration, exacerbating vertigo symptoms. Alcohol, on the other hand, affects coordination and alters the chemistry of the inner ear, increasing the likelihood of dizziness. Reducing or eliminating the consumption of these substances can help stabilize your vestibular system and decrease the frequency of vertigo episodes. In this video, we'll discuss how to adjust your diet to avoid these common triggers and explore healthy alternatives that can help keep your symptoms under control. Learn to make dietary choices that promote balance and discover how small changes in your diet can have a big impact on your health and vertigo management. 15. Yoga and stretching. The practice that can relieve your vertigo. Yoga and stretching may be key to relieving vertigo, especially when muscle tension and stress are involved. Yoga, with its emphasis on controlled breathing and gentle movements, helps improve balance and strengthen the vestibular system. Poses like mountain, Tadasana, and tree, Vrksasana, are excellent for developing stability and focus. Additionally, regular stretching helps release accumulated tension in the neck and shoulder muscles, areas often associated with vertigo. Maintaining a routine of yoga and stretching can not only reduce vertigo symptoms but also improve posture, increase flexibility, and promote a general sense of well-being. In this video, we'll teach some simple poses you can do at home to help relieve vertigo and improve your physical and mental health. Discover how these practices can be easily incorporated into your daily routine for lasting relief. 16. Postures you should correct to avoid vertigo. Small adjustments in your daily posture can be crucial to avoiding vertigo. Maintaining a correct posture, with a straight spine and relaxed shoulders, helps balance body weight and reduces pressure on the neck and shoulders, critical areas for balance control. When getting up from a seated or lying position, do it slowly to avoid sudden movements that could trigger vertigo. Additionally, adjusting the height of chairs and tables to avoid excessive leaning can help reduce neck tension. Practicing correct ergonomics when using electronic devices, such as keeping the screen at eye level, is also important to prevent discomfort and vertigo episodes. In this video, we'll show you how to make these small adjustments in your posture to improve your balance and prevent vertigo. Learn how to make these simple corrections that can have a big impact on your quality of life. Which technique works best for you? Throughout this video, we have presented 16 effective and natural techniques to help relieve vertigo and improve your quality of life. From simple practices like staying hydrated and adjusting your posture, to more specific interventions like repositioning maneuvers and using support devices, you have a variety of options to choose from. The most important thing is to try these techniques and discover which ones work best for you. Remember, vertigo can have different causes, and it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional to understand the origin of your symptoms and choose the most appropriate treatment. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can find relief and regain control over your life. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from this information. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.